Good morning, Mahi Singh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. Everyone ready with their books?
Yes, ma'am.
So what were we doing last week?
Ma'am, we were on the exercises.
We were doing the exercises. Yes. Okay, open up page number. The page number is
I'm
21. We are on the third exercise, page number 21. Is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Open your books, everyone, to page number 21.
I'm open.
Ma'am, I'm not having the book.
You're not having the book, so beta, I provided you the PDF last week also. Where is the PDF?
Ma'am, it was deleted because I had changed. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Om beta, hurry up and make the PDF of this page. Not only this page, again,
Okay, ma'am.
you have the PDF, please send it.
But I have the PDF of in my laptop, so I can send from the laptop only.
Yes, send from the laptop only. How does it matter? You send it from anywhere.
I'm send.
All right, now those who don't have the book, please see it from there. It's page number 21. Exercise 3. First one. Now, what is the question? What does the question say? It says, Mettez les verbes au présent. That means put these verbs in the present tense. Present tense means you have to conjugate the forms that we have only learned present tense till now. We have not learned any other tense. Clear? All of you open your cameras first of all. Sahil, Ransher, Mahi, Pranjali, hurry up and open your cameras, each one of you.
Ma'am, I've already done this question.
Very nice, very good. So, what we have learned, they see in all the verbs that we see, the verbs that are given in the bracket, all of them are what? They all are ER ending verbs, isn't it? They're all ER ending
Yes,
verbs.
ma'am.
Now, to do these ER ending verbs, first, what we are supposed to remember? That the pattern it works in. What is the pattern these ER ending verbs work in? The pattern is E. How many of you remember? ES.
Ma'am, ES.
Yes, then ES. E. Everybody say E.
Then
ES. E.
ESE.
Then what is the next thing?
Ma'am, I think INT.
No, it's ONS.
ER.
ONS, EZ and ENT. That's the pattern. That's the format of ER ending verbs. This is what I taught you last week. That's the pattern, right? Everybody
Yes, ma'am.
write down this pattern. Children, you are not learning your work at all.
Ma'am,
Only in your class I face this problem. Otherwise, all other sections are doing so well. What is the pattern of ER ending verbs? How do they work? They work E, ESE, ONS, EZ, ENT. And what is this EESE? It comes with which all subject pronouns it comes with? This
They,
one
you,
comes with,
who,
very good. Je, tu, then il,
else.
il.
Ma'am, then goose, noose, and then L.
No, beta, it's nu and vu, not nu, vu and nu. It's nu, vu, and ILS, ELLES. If I have ONS in the end of a verb, it will come with subject pronoun. It is going to come with nu only. If I have EZ in end of any verb, it is going to come with vu only. If I have ES, it is going to come with tu only. That is how this ER ending verb works. Is that clear? Now
Yes,
suppose,
ma'am.
let's go through the first one. Je dash la radio. Now what does écouter means? Écouter means to listen. This exercise, beta, you have to write down everything in the copy. You will not be able to do it like this. Je écoutais la radio. Now, écouter has been given in its infinitive form. Écouter. It is given like this with ER. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to conjugate this écouter with which subject pronoun? Je. Now, what comes with here? How does ER ending verb comes with here? We remove this ER and what do we put? We put this ending. So what it becomes? What do we put with here? We put E in the end.
E.
So what will the answer be? It will be j'écoute. J'écoute la radio. What does that mean? I listen to the radio. J'écoute la radio. Clear? Is this clear? Ransher, please pay
Yes,
attention
ma'am.
here.
Clear.
Don't look here and there. Sahil,
Yes,
open
ma'am, I've
your
already
camera.
done all this.
So are you clear with this exercise?
Yes,
Then why were you not replying when I was asking you about this pattern, about the sequence, how it works?
ma'am, I was not connected to audio. It was not connecting. I have a weak internet connection here.
Om, Sahil and Pranjali, can you open your cameras? Om, Sahil, yes. Keep your cameras on, on all three of you. Done this one, written this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written the translation also? What this sentence means? What this sentence means and what the
Yes,
verb
ma'am. I listen
écouter,
to the radio.
what this verb means. Children, you are going to get these kind of sentences to translate in exam. So it would be good if you write it in your copies. Then the second verb, nous aimer le jus de fruit. Now what we have again? They have again written nous. And in the bracket, what is there? Aimer. Aimer is what? Aimer means to? What does aimer mean? What is the word aimer? Aimer means to, yes, Om.
Ma'am, to like or to love?
Very nice. It means to like or to love. Now, they have given nu. Now, what is the ending with nu we see in this table? What do we put with nu?
ONS.
ONS. So
Ma'am,
what we'll
ONS.
do, we will remove this ER and what we are going to do? AIM and ONS. Nous aimons le jus de fruit. Nous aimons Le jus de fruit. What does the sentence mean? What does this sentence mean? No, Zemo. Yes, Pranjali.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, Om. Pranjali or Sahil? I want you to answer better. What this sentence means. Again, Pranjali has put her camera off. Okay, Sahil, can you try what it means? Sahil has left. Asking question in this class means students are going to leave. Okay, Om beta, tell what it means.
We love the fruit juice.
Sorry, once again.
We love fruit juice.
Yes, we love the fruit juice. Now what you are going to do is you are going to try this exercise on your own right now. I'm giving you 5 minutes to do it. According to this pattern is written on the board. Is that clear? Any sentence you
Ma'am,
do.
I have done.
Om, you have also done?
Yes, ma'am. In the previous class, you have told that, and you have also told that all the exercise will be this kind of thing only.
So you tried it on your own and you were able to do it. What about you, Sahil beta? Sahil, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then coming on to the third one, it's given vous. And what is given in bracket? In bracket, it's visiter. So what do I do? With vous, which comes? ES form comes. So it becomes vous visiter. Vous visiter. La Bretagne. Now you visit the places Bretagne. Then the fourth one, ils aller. Now ILS and they have written aller verb. But aller does not belong to this ER ending verbs. Why? Because aller is an irregular verb which means to go. So what will I put? Along with ILS, aller becomes VONT. Ils vont à la plage. They go to the beach. Then, tu fermes la porte. Fermer means to close. What does fermer means? Om and this Ransher, did you know the meaning of fermer?
No, ma'am.
Fermer means to close. So he is instructing tu fermes la porte. QFERMES. What it will be? It will be ES. Fine? Because it has tu. Tu fermes la porte. What is la porte? La porte means the door. You close the door. Write it down if you want. Then, sixth one. Manuel inviter Anish. So very simple. Manuel means, now what does Manuel stand for? Manuel is name of a boy. We are talking about
Excuse me,
one
ma'am.
boy. Yes.
Ma'am, may I close my camera for a minute?
Yes, beta, close. Manuel
Okay.
is one boy. And so what it will be replaced with? It will be replaced with this subject pronoun. So that means we have to conjugate Manuel according to IL. So what we are going to do? Manuel NB. It will become NB because with ill we have the ending as E. Manuel NB Anish. Okay? Done? Then next, seventh one. Now Pierre and Mireille dash la télévision. Now we are talking about two people, isn't it? There are two people. So first of all, tell me according to which subject pronoun the verb will be conjugated. Yes, Om.
I think that it will be conjugated with E.
It will be conjugated according to which subject pronoun I'm asking.
L and ILS.
ILS and ELLES, because we are talking about two people, Pierre and Mireille. So one boy, one girl. It will be conjugated according to ILS. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is Arush Chaudhary? Is there any Arush Chaudhary in this class?
Ma'am, I think that no.
No, ma'am.
No, Arush Chaudhary, beta, you're from 4th B, I guess. This is not your class. You have some other class right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. Pierre and Mireille get conjugated according to ILS. Now, what is the verb in the bracket? It's regarder. Now, with ILS, according to the pattern, what do we have? According to the pattern, we have E, ES, E,
Ma'am, will it be regardless?
EZ, and yes, what will it be?
Ma'am, EZ, regardless.
No, why EZ? EZ comes with woo, beta. It comes with woo.
Oh,
Then what comes with ILS? It becomes ENT. The last one is this. Regard. ENT. This is the correct form. Il regarde la télé. That is why I tell
Okay,
you,
ma'am.
this you have to learn very nicely. This pattern makes you do exercises and frame sentences like these. Then the next one is je. Now, je habite. What it will be? What is the ending in je? Very simple. It's E. Look here. It is E.
E.
So it is j'habite. J'habite à Delhi. I live in Delhi. Then next one is Neha parle français. Now Neha. Neha is which? According to Neha, we are talking about just one girl. So with subject pronoun, it is going to be conjugated with what subject?
ILS.
Huh? Yes?
Ma'am, I think that is, ma'am, I think that the third one.
Yes.
one.
And what is Neha? Neha is he or she?
Ma'am, Neha is she.
She. Then what will come? Give me one, only one subject pronoun. Don't say
Ma'am,
either.
ILLS.
ILLS. ओम what is ILLS? ये तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है. Spell. What is the correct spelling? Either it's ill or it's L or it's ILS or it's ELLES. Now, how many Nehas are we talking about? How many Nehas are there?
ma'am, one.
Ma'am, one.
So, which subject pronoun will come?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ELLE.
IL.
IL stands for he.
Ma'am, ELLE.
Yes, ELLE is the correct option. Neha is a girl, beta. With girl, which subject pronoun we put? We put either L or else. Now we are talking about how many girls? Just one girl. So everything gets cancelled, and this is the correct option, the only option we have. Now, Neha will be conjugated according to ELLE. So, which is the correct form out of all this? What will be the ending of par here? What will I place after it?
E.
Huh?
E.
Very nice. Neha parle français. Neha speaks French. Is that clear to all of you? Then the
Yes,
last
ma'am.
one. The last one. Je être dans la classe. Now, what is this être verb? How many of you remember the être verb? Tell me. What is être verb?
Tres.
Être means to be. What is the verb? It means
Adi,
to be. To be?
Je être dans la classe.
Yes. So, beta, être can we put être in its infinitive form? No, we never put the verbs in their infinitive form when we frame sentences. We always put them in their conjugated form. Now, what is the conjugation of être verb? You remember? Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, and ils sont, elles sont. So what does je become? Sorry, what does être become with here? It becomes suis. Je suis dans la classe. What does this sentence mean, Om Saraswat?
Which sentence?
Je suis dans la classe. Try it out. What is the meaning of this sentence?
Ma'am, I am doing the class.
I am. What is dans? Dans means in, inside. In. Je suis dans la classe. I am in the class. I am in the class. Suppose I want to say, you are in the class. What will I say? Tu dash in the class. What will être become with tu? What is être going to become
Yes.
with tu? Very nice. Tu es dans la classe. Now, if I want to say we are in the class, I'm talking about all of us. What it will be? Nous,
ONS.
nous,
Ma'am, ONS.
unmute yourself, Om, and speak.
Excuse me, ma'am.
ONS.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ranshir.
Ma'am, I've also done the fourth one.
Wonderful, beta. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Être. What does être become with nous? We
Ma'am,
are in the class.
ONS.
No, beta. Why ONS? ONS is in ER ending verbs. Is this an ER ending verb? No, it is an irregular verb. It was the first verb we studied in class 6. Will it not be nous sommes dans la classe? What is the conjugation of être verb? Om, you have forgotten. Beta, these endings are with ER ending verbs. This is the pattern that is implemented on ER ending verbs. This être verb, aller verb, and avoir verb, they have their own working. They are irregular verbs. Avoir, aller, and être verb.
Excuse me,
These
ma'am.
three, just a minute. These three verbs have nothing to do with this sequence. Nothing to do with this pattern. These three verbs have their own working. Now say, Ranshir.
Ma'am, 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 when I was doing the fourth one, I couldn't find the meaning of la chien.
Which one?
Ma'am,
Okay.
la chien.
Beta, the fourth exercise. We'll come on to that.
No, ma'am, sorry, not the fourth, ma'am, the fifth.
Ranshir, beta, now please go with the flow. If you want to ask anything like this, you can ask me on WhatsApp later after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, I know this exercise is not clear to any one of you, not very clear. Om and Ransher have done it. I don't know about other students. Sahil, Pranjali, Manya, you people are not replying only. You people are not saying anything. You people are not trying even. How will you do it, beta? I am making you do each and every exercise in the class. Otherwise, class 8 students are not supposed to be spoon fed. At least you have to try them on your own. Now come on to the next exercise, page number 22. Mete la
Yes, ma'am.
teach. Yes, beta. Om say.
Ma'am, in the PDF, no page number 22 is there.
Okay. Are you sending page 22?
I don't have.
Okay, I will send the whole PDF once again, class 8B. Please check your class group. The PDF is there.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, what is the question? The question is mete la tic. Put the article. Now, which articles are we supposed to put? They have given in the question itself. Now, children, to see this thing, how these articles are put, first we have to remember that what la comes with. La, L-E. L-E comes with masculine nouns. La comes with feminine nouns. Le comes with anything that is plural. And L apostrophe comes with any noun that starts with a vowel. Is that clear? It is
Yes,
as
ma'am.
simple. It is very simple to place these articles. Okay, then what is the first one?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell the meaning of PL?
Chien. Chien is a dog. Voila le chien, the manual. See, can you see a dog is made? So it is,
Yes, ma'am.
there is the dog of Manuel. There is Manuel's dog. Now haddock, what is haddock? Haddock is name. But before we come on to this exercise, let's finish off the fourth one. Let's do the fourth exercise. Now what is tet? Tet means we have done in the body parts. What is tet? Tet is head. Now head is what? Masculine or feminine?
Can I?
Feminine. So what are we going to put?
Masculine.
Yes? What are we going to put out of these four before tet?
Ma'am, le.
Le means L-E or L-E-S?
Ma'am, LE.
L-E. But L-E comes with masculine nouns. Tet is a feminine noun. So what are we going to put?
Ma'am, LA. Will be la. LA.
L-A. Very nice. La tet. Then the next one, jambe. Now, what is jambe? J-A-M-B-E-S. Now, E-S, sorry, S tells us that it is something in plural. So, which article we are going to put out of these four?
LES.
Very nice. L-E-S. It becomes les jambes. Then, coude. Okay, before this, what is jambe? Jambe is legs. The legs. Now, what is coude?
Legs.
What is coude? Just look into the picture given in the chapter. Which body part is Kood?
Ma'am, it's elbow.
What?
Ma'am, elbow.
Elbow. Very nice. Now what is it? Elbow is masculine or feminine?
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I guess it would be.
Ma'am, I am having doubt in masculine, feminine. How to, ma'am, see that this one is masculine and this one is feminine?
Now see, open page number, come to page number 15. Can you see? Page number 15,
Yes,
everyone.
ma'am.
The first page of the PDF. Now the body parts have been named along with the articles. What are these articles? La, la, le, and L apostrophe. So wherever we have LE, that means it is a masculine body part. Wherever we have LA, it is a feminine body part.
Feminine.
Okay? From here, we'll come to know which body part is masculine, which is feminine.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, children, this exercise is very simple. I'm not going to do it here. You have to do it. I'm giving you how many? 5 minutes are with you. Nobody is going to leave the class. A strict action will be taken against the one who leaves the class before time. Hurry up and do this exercise. Sahil, Pranjali,
Yes,
and Manya. Manya, open your camera. I want to see at least who you are. I don't even know who Manya is in the class. Who is Manya Verma, children? Is she in your class?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Hurry up and do this exercise.
Ma'am, done.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Yes.
Ma'am, is the French book available in the market?
The French book is available, but I'm not sure about it. You have to
Ma'am,
first
Manya
ask
is
the
saying she
bookstore.
has a weak internet connection.
Okay, ma'am.
But beta, even if you don't have the book, what is the issue? You get the PDF of the chapters here only, beta. If you want to do, you have your previous class book. When you were in seventh, you purchased 7th class book.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that is going to help you out in all these kind of verbs. Whatever we are doing in this chapter is a revision of the previous book only.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Manya, if you have network problem, beta, you are supposed to write all the answers in the chat box. You can't speak, you can't open your camera, no issues. Start typing the answers in the chat box. Om, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Manya, not even a single answer in the chat box is there, beta. And Pranjali is not connected to audio. Why is she there in class? I don't understand. Okay, Om and Ranshir, put correct numbers and start writing the answers in the chat box.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
1 minute.
Ma'am, I have sent the fourth one.
Very good. Keep sending.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sixth la. Very good. Seventh la. Eighth le. Ninth le. 10th la. Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Then what about 11th?
Ma'am, just a second sending.